All right, you guys, so you see the thumbnail. So we're going to be doing a candy covered walnut, you guys. Very simple and easy. Very simple ingredients that you can have out of your own, pantry. So let's get into the video. Welcome back, my home cooks and chefs. I got something sweet, a sweet treat for you guys. What I want to be doing today is this is always something great. So I'm gonna be doing some candy walnuts, you guys. Very and simple and easy, something to do, something for the kids, something for you if you would like to have a snack, something you can just add over some popcorn if you like, or even use this to put over your, some sweet potato pie, or even your anything, any kind of thing sweet, as well as your, it could be over a pumpkin pie. But I'm going to show you this very easy way to do it. So let's get into the ingredients because I know you guys don't like a lot of talking, but I don't really care. Just want to let y'all know for those that don't like to jibber jabber. But so what we got to do is a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, then a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a half a teaspoon of sea salt. So and that's your, part of your dry ingredients. Then the next ingredients you need is 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and the next one, your mixture, what you're going to have is egg whites. No egg yolks, egg whites. Don't put it in there. Try to do it, have somebody separate it for you, or go buy the carton that has egg whites in it because this doesn't require any egg yolks, you guys. So just had to repeat that. So, okay, so just have one large egg white only and 2 cups of walnuts, the star of the show. So let's get into mixing up this mixture. So I have everything in here as far as all my spices with the cinnamon, nutmeg, and sea salt. So we're going to add in the brown sugar. And I did forget about my fork. So let me get... So add in your dry ingredients first. Just mix them all together. Make sure they're all incorporated in very well. Doesn't really take that long. Make sure everything is fully coated. So this is one way to do it so you can make sure you don't have too many lumps when you actually mixing everything together. So now, the next thing you want to do is add in your egg yolks. No, sorry, egg whites. My mistake, egg whites. So 1 egg whites. All right, you guys. So, like I said, I've tried this. This is a very good and easy recipe. I mean, I'm telling you guys, it's really tasty. So just mix everything up very smoothly. Like I said, make sure everything is incorporated into the egg whites, all the cinnamon, everything. Now, what you can do to spice it up, add a little cayenne, you guys. A little pinch of cayenne goes a long way. You know what I'm saying? If you want a little salty sweet. So I'm not going to do that in here, or you can add it at the end when you actually are done with it out of the oven. So just want to make sure everything is incorporated in. All right, so everything is done. Let me put all this, like I always say, clean as you go. You know what I'm saying? So you won't have a lot of dishes. All right, you guys. So let me go get the bigger bowl, and we're gonna get mixing everything with the nuts. All right, you guys. So what we're gonna do is mix in these walnuts with the little mixture. So like I said, that's 2 cups. We see the oven is ready. So let me pour these on the top and mix them in. So make sure you get everything in the pool, guys. All right, so next, just mix everything around. One thing about this mixture, it likes to go to the bottom. So look at me being messy. So I mean, those are kind of dry. So make sure you get them all fully coated very well. You want to have everything. So just stir them up, fold them over like this. Hopefully, you can see it pretty good. And just do that. Make sure they fully, like I said, coated around. It smells good, you guys. Man, I want to know, you guys, let me know when they're going to come out with a smell-o-vision, because I know y'all tired of me seeing this and not being able to taste it. But let me finish doing this, mixing this up, you guys. I'm going to bring over actually the baking sheet. Get some parchment paper, or if you have a cookie mat, You know, say one of them. What I like to do, you don't have to with parchment paper, is spray the bottom. You know, so I'm going to spray my bottom because we dealing with sugar and things stick. So what you want to do is now you just put everything in the pot, in the pan, as they say. Put everything in. I get everything on there. Make sure you flatten it out so all the pieces are flattened. You know, so they can evenly cook. You don't want them to be sticking. They're already gonna stick automatically. So you want to make sure you don't want to have it too much on top of each other. So just you know, move around till they're fully flat. Mind you, and if they're on top of each other, you can break them up. But I think they're fully flat. Make sure it's all the way around. You got it. Now you can do more of this, just double the ingredients if you would like. That's all it takes, and that's it. All right, you guys. So we're gonna get ready to put this in the oven on 350 degrees for no more than 8 to 10 minutes. But check it in 8 minutes. But make sure you put your time on there and check it out. All right, because everybody does it differently. Oven cooks differently. All right, you guys. So the timer is up. Take it out the oven. It's ready. What you want to do is let this sit. All right, you guys. So you gotta let this actually cool down first before you even do it to break it up. So we're gonna do is we're gonna sit it aside, let it cool for about a good 10 minutes or two when it's, you know, cool enough to break up everything. But it looks pretty good. It's pretty much dry, you guys. So we're just gonna let it cool down and come to temperature, and then we're gonna actually break them on up. All right, so now what you want to do is start breaking them up. I let it cool for about a good 15, 20 minutes and stuff like that. This is the reason why you put it on parchment paper, because you don't want to be scraping it up. So you just break it up, you know, best way you can. Yeah, just break it up like this. Serve it up. So you see how it's coming out. Pretty good. Kind of a salty sweet, which that's what I was looking for. But you don't want, you just want it straight sweet, and you take it out and actually put it, you know, don't put the salt on it. But to me, it comes out great that way. It balances out the sweetness in the whole dish. So if you're serving this up to your friends and family or some guests over, we have a couple of cocktails. This will be a little fancy. And you don't have to be fancy like this, but it's something we like to do. You know, when you have some friends over, and serve them up to your guests. And you can put this in a bowl, however you like, you know, but it's pretty good. You see me smacking on it. So, yeah, really good. But let me clear out. Lick my fingers, they're so good. Anyway, but I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's really simple and easy to make, very fast, not complicated, you know, and it's very something that's really good that you can serve to your guests or just have for yourself. If you're chilling, watching a movie or something like that, this is really quick to do. It only took about, I'm a total of 8 minutes and then, you know, rest time. But other than that, you know what I'm saying, it really didn't take any time at all. Not that many ingredients, something you might have in the house. And they be charged a lot of money for these things when you go into the store or go somewhere. So you can do it yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. You know, I'm actually be putting up videos, you know what I'm saying, weekly. So definitely subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be able to get and don't miss out on anything. Because I know you don't like to be doing replays. So definitely hit the notification bell. And I will be going live with you guys. So hope you enjoyed it. I'm your Chef Casey from the Urban Culture Kitchen, you guys. And I will see you guys in the next one. Would you like to have one? See you later.